Hi, my name is Alexander. I'm from Ukraine. I'm here to present my final project for CS50 Python. This is simple application allow the user to get actual weather forecast in the city that users should input before. Let's demonstrate it. First of all, you should input the city which weather user would like to know. Program will propose input correct data. If user input not name, the program will ask to repeat with correct name. If we input with some data, it's the same. Then actually we input correct name and we have the program download current weather forecast with sunrise, sunset, and some other information about weather. Then we can get forecast on 5 days and or miss it. If we input agree with this, we get all information about weather on 5 days. Then we can generate PDF file with information we got before. Okay, if we agree with this, program get download the image from internet and scale it to fit in the report in PDF file. Then we have PDF file weather forecast with image, with actual weather, with icon downloaded from internet, and with table if we got it before. And I hope you like my final project. Bye.